Well, we definitely aren't seeing any of those winter white conditions here in Kern County as we send things over to 23 ABC's Morgan Wheeler. It's warm right now, considering.
No, it is, especially here in Bakersfield. You know, I guess around this time we usually see stuff like that. But right now in Bakersfield, we're sitting at 47 degrees with that unhealthy air quality, and it'll continue on to tomorrow. But let's take a closer look at our temperatures for tomorrow. It's going to be another hazy day tomorrow. But in Bakersfield, your high is going to be 62 degrees, 62 in Oildale. At the Grapevine, it's going to be 69 degrees, 61 for your high in Arvin tomorrow. And moving ahead into our mountain communities, Bear Valley Springs, we're going to be sitting at 58 degrees, Tehachapi 37 degrees, Lake Isabella 66 degrees, and Fraser Park, we're going to be sitting at 57 degrees for your high tomorrow. And moving into our desert communities as well, we're going to stay in those mid 60s as well. California City 65 degrees, Ridgecrest 66 degrees, and down in Roseman 65 degrees as well. And looking ahead at your New Year's Day and New Year's Eve forecast, it's going to be a nice one as well, but cloudy conditions. But we're going to be sitting at on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day 62 degrees with cloudy skies across the valley. And moving ahead to our 7-day forecast. Tomorrow we're going to be sitting at 62 degrees with hazy skies, 61 on Thursday with hazy skies as well, 64 on Friday, 65 on Saturday, 62 on Sunday and Monday. And for the rest of the valley, we're looking at clear skies as well. So I think it's going to be a pretty good one for the rest of the valley.
Absolutely. I was going to say these conditions in the 60s, even 70s in the Kern River Valley.
Isn't that crazy?
It's insane for this time of year. Last year, I think we were talking about snowball fights and falling snow.
Well, that's definitely not
this year. Not this year for sure. All right, Morgan, thanks. Well, now that Christmas is over,